Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Binance promo code. So in order to do it, you have two different options basically. First of all, you can seek help from Binance application itself, and in order to do it, you will have to simply open your Binance app, and here on the home page you will see Rewards Hub. So you need to tap on Rewards Hub, then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you will see rewards shop, so you will have to simply tap on it, and here you will see all of the vouchers that you can basically claim. So these can be used for your trading. So as you can see that I have a lot of points and a lot of vouchers that basically I can claim. So you don't need to have any promo code. You just have to simply keep using Binance app and you are going to get these types of points and the rewards. Now here on this page you will see daily check-in points that you can get, and you can even earn rewards by completing these simple tasks. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply seek help from any other websites where you can find promo codes for that, but in my opinion those are not that much reliable. So you can find your promo codes and you can get the vouchers and points in the rewards hub from Binance. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.